Hey friends, good evening to you all. I hope 2023 has been doing good for you. If you remember our analysis yesterday, we had mentioned about this hourly support. Again, if you see today, the market opened, I think, gap down. I mean, opened a little down. It sustained and started moving up. We had also mentioned that this price, only if the price moves above this, I would possibly think of going positional long, and that also right now is negated. And for me to go a big short, uh, price has to move below this 18,000, uh, below, for me to go a bigger short also. Market has been trending, uh, giving nice moves. In fact, if you see, uh, it has formed like a inverted mm, cup and handle, or maybe you could even say like a M pattern. So tomorrow, if price tends to move above 18 166 below, my first target would be 18 uh, 120 possibly. Uh, while we are looking into the charts, we will also look at the option chain. And also, let me tell you, all this analysis which I share or views I share is not just based on charts, it's based on a lot of various factors. Uh, I'll share you some information as well. So tomorrow, if market can open below, there is a strong support with 18,200 put writers and also equal or maybe more call writers at 18,200. So if market tends to open a gap down below 18,200, then maybe it could touch 18,166 and then maybe even go lower as per the option chain data. Uh, Whereas in Bank Nifty, there is a good support at 43,000 and in fact, and 43,500 call writers at the top. So, in fact, if we see, price has been going up and took supports at 43,000 and then going higher. Today, we have a couple of trades. What we took was we we did have one hero zero. We took 43,200 above 360, 43,200 above 360 for 410. Uh, in fact, we mentioned that BNF is having good buying power. We had one hero zero 19,150, 40, and this in fact weighed a high of 80, 85. Uh, we also definitely took some put in Bank Nifty when this happened. I think at this level at around 12 o'clock. Uh, yeah, around this range for this rally. Post this again, I think we went after 1 o'clock. We were in the Fin Nifty 19,500, and around 130, 140, we went with the 4,300 to 222, which made a high of 250, 270 or so. I think 268. So good trading day with very volatile trade with good opportunities for trading. For tomorrow, what I can see is the market can be very volatile both sides. It may open either gap up, move upside, and then even come down. So be prepared for a huge volatile day. We're looking at the option data. Uh, the other information I was talking about is I think the this is the piece of information. This particular section which I am showing is this is the Fin Nifty volumes, which was there today. Initially, it started positive with around 1,000 orders being, aggressive algo orders being executed, which then slowly went high to 1.8 and uh, which, in fact, by closing this was little lower, possibly because of profit booking. This is the Bank Nifty where we see around the opening of 20,000 futures aggressively buying and going up to 1 lakh more. And towards 2 o'clock it reduced. Possibly that's one of the reasons why Bank Nifty came down around 2 o'clock or 10:30, sorry, 12:30 onwards. And then slowly it started moving up after, sorry, around 1 o'clock it reduced and then started going up to 1 lakh 30,000 or so. Nifty didn't have much of volumes. In fact, initially in the morning it was there were more of sellers, and then slowly the buyers came around 2 o'clock. End of the day, I think there were about 2 lakh buyers. Possibly that's one of the reasons Nifty went higher after some time. Reliance was down more or less today. Yesterday we mentioned about this uh, channel, and if I was also mentioning if this comes down, I mean price stays below this channel, then there is a chances of we could get a chance to sell below this levels. Possibly we could see 2,500 or even lower also. So keep an eye on Reliance. Maruti has tested and then slowly moving up. What I can see is we can go add some equity here for a target of 8,640 to 9,000. TCS also is having a good support, has been positively moving up. Any opportunity we should buy uh, and see if this breaks out and goes up to 3,400 levels. Kotak Mahindra Bank is also slowly moving up. Uh, though it is being trading in this range, uh, it is there was a small impulse wave and then there corrective and then we have another impulse. We should have a corrective wave which can go up to 1,960 levels. HDFC Bank could be is in our radar. We have, as I mentioned, you can add this, and in fact, for the long term, we definitely would see 1,900 to 2,000, which will be the all-time high. Tech Mahindra is also looking positive. Uh, this strong formed a strong seems to be a very strong support here, and price has also taken the support so far. So we can try for a long-term uh, trade with the target of 1,200 to 1,400 or so. This is a very long-term target which we have shared. So based on your risk appetite, you can invest. Tata Steel, steel sector was very positive yesterday. Today, I think has given back some of the gains. So always we need to understand commodity sectors like Tata Steel, Hindalco, sale are very volatile and can be very, very, very volatile. This again is in a trading in a channel. There's a very good impulse move here, which we saw a small correction, another impulse move, possibly a small correction. Overall, can be a very positive up move uh, if this can move out of this channel. So, thank you all, viewers. Hope our views have been profitable. I've shared my views in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Uh, Both are tight trading in a tight range. Uh, so do join our Telegram channel. Please like, subscribe, share with your friends. We would also be sharing few strategies, analysis on Hero Zero and other short-term swing trades as well. Thank you all, and thank you all, lovely people. Have a wonderful day.